Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Wizard of Graphics. In today's video we are going to explore the fascinating world of black color grading. Before we begin, make sure you have opened your image in Photoshop. Now let's start by creating a hue saturation adjustment layer. Now with the hue saturation adjustment layer selected, here we want to focus on removing specific color from our image. Let's start with yellow. Now drag the saturation slider -80 to 90%. Now click on the drop down menu for yellow and select green. With the green, we will drag the saturation layer all the way to the left. Now let's proceed to cyan. Drag the saturation. Do the same blue. Drag the saturation and do the same magenta. Drag the saturation. After that, close the property panel. Click on Create New Fill on Adjustment Layer button and choose Selective Colors. Click on the drop-down menu for color and select red. Now let's make some adjustment to red color range. Drag the cyan slider to -35. Similarly, by sliding the yellow slider to 35, we are increasing the yellow tone with the red range. Now let's switch our focus to natural color range. Click on the drop down menu and select natural and add cyan 5% to give a more natural feel. Now let's move on the black color range. Click on the drop down menu for color and select black. Now drag all slider to completely right. Close the property panel. Select both layers and press Ctrl+G to make a group and rename this black color grid. Now here's the before after. Wow. Now your turn to create moody and cinematic color to your image. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.